Have you ever wondered who's behind the flawless operation of your favorite websites? The answer might surprise you. In the digital world, a behind-the-scenes hero is tirelessly working to ensure your online experiences are seamless and enjoyable. This unsung champion is a web producer. They're responsible for coordinating, managing, and updating websites. From the smallest blog to the largest e-commerce site, their role is crucial. So, if you've ever marveled at a well-run website, you've appreciated the work of a web producer. But what does a web producer actually do on a day-to-day basis? Well, let's start by imagining a bustling digital workshop. In this workshop, the web producer is the master craftsman overseeing all the various elements that go into building and maintaining a website. One of the main responsibilities of a web producer is project management. They coordinate with different teams, making sure that each cog of the project is turning smoothly and efficiently, from design and development to marketing and analytics. Another key part of the role is content creation. Web producers often find themselves wearing the hat of a writer, designer, or even a coder, crafting engaging content that resonates with their audience and keeps them coming back for more. They're also in charge of site updates, ensuring that the website is always fresh, relevant, and functioning at its best. This could mean adding new articles, tweaking the layout, or fixing that pesky bug that's been causing trouble. Quality control is another crucial aspect of the job. The web producer is the final gatekeeper, meticulously checking every pixel and punctuation mark before it goes live, ensuring the site meets the highest standards of quality and usability. So what does it take to be a web producer? Well, strong technical knowledge is a must, as is excellent communication skills. And above all, you need an eye for detail, the ability to spot the smallest glitch or the perfect opportunity for improvement. A web producer wears many hats, all with the goal of ensuring a seamless online experience. Being a web producer isn't always a walk in the park. Let's talk about the challenges and rewards of the job. Firstly, the role of a web producer comes with its fair share of challenges. Picture this. You're juggling multiple projects, each with its own tight deadline. Time management skills are crucial here, as you'll need to keep everything moving smoothly. Then there's the technical side of things. As a web producer, you may encounter technical issues that need immediate resolution. You might have to dive into the code, troubleshoot a server issue, or help fix a bug in the website's design. It's like being a detective, but in the digital world. And let's not forget about the coordination challenges. You're the point person between various teams, from content creators to developers to marketing. It's your job to ensure everyone is on the same page and working towards the same goal. Now let's switch gears and talk about the perks of the job. Web producers are in high demand. As businesses continue to recognize the importance of a strong online presence, they're looking for professionals who can oversee their web projects. This demand translates into competitive salaries and plenty of job opportunities. Moreover, many web producers enjoy a flexible work schedule. You might find yourself working from the comfort of your home, a coffee shop, or even a beach somewhere. But perhaps the most rewarding aspect is seeing a project from conception to completion. It's the satisfaction of knowing that you've played a key role in bringing a project to life. Though it can be a challenging job, the rewards of being a web producer can certainly outweigh the difficulties. Interested in pursuing a career as a web producer? Here's what you need to know. This career path is brimming with opportunities for advancement. As you gain experience and hone your skills, you could ascend to the ranks of senior web producer, digital project manager, or even director of web production. Each role comes with its own unique set of responsibilities and challenges, but rest assured, the journey is as rewarding as it is exciting. This ever-evolving field also requires a commitment to continuous learning. Web technologies and trends change at a rapid pace. One day you're mastering the art of SEO, the next you're delving into the intricacies of user experience design. It's a field that keeps you on your toes, always learning, always pushing the boundaries of what's possible. But what about related roles? Well, web production skills are highly transferable. You could branch out into web development, digital marketing, or content management, among others. The world of web technology is vast and interconnected, offering a multitude of paths for your professional journey. Remember, it's not just about having the right skills on paper. It's about having a passion for the web, a knack for problem solving, and a desire to create digital experiences that truly resonate with users. With the right skills and a passion for web technology, a rewarding career as a web producer could be yours. There you have it. a sneak peek into the exciting world of a web producer. We've journeyed through the role, responsibilities, challenges, and growth opportunities. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe, comment, and check out our other videos for more insights into popular careers. Until next time, keep exploring and keep learning.